Learn all the essential list methods in Python in one quick video. Lists are one of the most important data types in Python, and mastering list methods can make your coding faster and more effective. In this video, we'll cover everything from adding and removing elements to sorting and copying lists. Perfect for beginners and experienced coders alike. Python lists are versatile and powerful. In this video, we'll cover the main list methods, so you can work with lists quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. 1. Append. Append adds an item to the end of a list. Here, we added orange to our list of fruits. It's simple and perfect for adding one item. 2. Extend. Extend is like append, but it adds each element from an iterable, like a list. Here, we added grape and melon to the list. 3. Insert. Insert lets you add an item at a specific index. Here, we inserted kiwi at index 1, pushing the other items down. 4. Remove. Remove deletes the first occurrence of a specified value. Be careful, if the item isn't found, it raises an error. 5. Pop. Pop removes an item at a specified index and returns it. Six. Clear. Clear removes all items from the list, leaving it empty. It's helpful when you want to reset a list without deleting it. 7. Index. Returns the first position of an item. Here, apple is found at index 0. You can also specify start and end indices for a sublist. 8. Count. Count gives the number of times an item appears in the list. Here, apple appears twice. 9. Sort. Sort arranges the items in ascending order by default. You can set reverse equals true to sort in descending order or use a key for custom sorting. 10. Reverse. Reverse flips the list's order in place. It's useful if you need items in reverse without sorting. 11. Copy. Copy makes a shallow copy of the list, letting you create a new list without modifying the original. That's it. These methods make lists one of the most flexible data types in Python. Practice each one, and you'll be ready to tackle any list-related challenge.